everybody, today is 14th of February, so happy Valentine's Day. I hope that we'll enjoy the project together. I created something, I will create with you something which will be for the Valentine, and I made it for my daughters and for my beautiful family. So happy Valentine's Day. That would be the shape of this beautiful I made it as a surprise actually to my daughters, so I hope that they love it. This is I love you Jana, I love you Maya, and I love you Lina, and happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's. Today I'm going to let you make something. I will make something for my daughters, Jana, Maya, and Lina. I will make a surprise for them for the Valentine. So the materials that I will use today is that felt paper, this mesh. I will use a glue gun, okay, with the glue, and this ribbon as well to write Happy Valentine, and this wire, metallic wire, okay, and some of these colors. Moreover, I will use any balloon. If you have any balloon, I'll just glue it this size, okay, this size is enough, okay. After that, I will start to color it, okay. And I will use this balloon. It was an old balloon, okay, but I will make it, shape it like a heart, so just to make it as a good decoration. So, okay, let's start now. I will also use those pads in case that I would like to write the names. So here I will first put my color in any flat area. I could select this plate, for example, okay. So you could just put some of the red color like this, and then you could just, no problem if you color your hand, no problem, because the acrylic paint is easily removed, okay. Instead of using the brush, it will take lots of time, so it's okay to make it like this, okay. So I already made some before starting this video, okay. So this is just a demo. So now I will probably colored it, okay. We could. Why I decided to color it like this? If you could buy a red balloon, no problem, but I want to make some creating, okay. So I decided to use this red color, and here I will put white color to write the name of my daughters on it, okay. So I will put here. I could use this pad, or I could use a toothpick, okay, but I will mix it with a little bit of the red color to make it pinky, okay. And I could write anything, so here I will write, for example, I could leave it to dry a little bit and then start to write, okay. So I will write I, if you leave it to dry a little bit, it would be easier to write, okay. So for example, here I wrote I love. You could write I love you, for example, okay, and leave it to dry. So here I already made some for my daughter, and I will I let them dry in any place as you see here, and then I will just stick them together. So here I will just stick them together, okay, to create this heart, okay. So I will use the glue gun. So here you find I love you Jana, okay, and I will leave it to dry, and I will do the same for all of them, because I wrote I love you Jana, I love you Maya. So I will stick them and return back to you. Yes, so here you will see I just take them together. So here I have this heart. I love you, Maya. I love you, Lina, and I love you, Jan. I'll just insert this wire, okay, and tie it around them to create another heart. I will tie it like this, okay, and just to give a more beautiful shape. Okay, so this is I love you, Maya, as you see here. Okay, and I will do the same for the others. Okay, so now I finished them. Okay, I just tie this heart like this to give just a beautiful appearance, and then I will write Happy Valentine through this ribbon. Okay, so I will write happy and stick it here, and Valentine and stick it there, and according to the size I will cut this felt paper later. Okay, so I will write Happy Valentine and return back to you. So here I'm writing happy H. This is the H. Okay, and this is the E. Okay, and this is B. I will this is also P, and this is a Y. Okay, I will cut it, okay, and return back to you. Okay, now I will cut it, okay. I wrote the Happy Valentine and Happy Valentine's Day, and I will cut it. So now I cut the Happy Valentine's Day, so I will stick it on this pink felt paper, okay. I will use the glue gun, and then I will return back to you. So here I arrange them to create Happy Valentine's Day. Yes, now I will use the glue gun to stick them, okay. Here I probably finished, so I will just take the Y, okay, and now I will be yeah, so I stick Happy Valentine's Day as you see here. The next step I will just attach those balloons. Okay, I love you, Lina, I love you, Maya. I will insert them here and here, okay, and the last one will be in the top here. Okay, so I will stick them and return back to you. The next step here, I will use this ribbon, okay, and I will use a scissor to create something like this, okay. So this is just to attach it in each balloon here, just to give a fantasy shape. Yes. So here, as you see here, I will just bring the scissor and make it like this, so it will be curved. Okay. So I did that to create this shape. Okay. So I will now stick it here in each balloon and just stick it here like this. Okay. So here I stack both of them, and now I will stick this one as well on the back. Okay, I will stick it here. Okay. Now I will use this mesh to make a pocket here, and I will cut from the other side. So now I will stick this here. I will make it as a pocket to write any message to Jana, Maya, and Lina. I will leave 3 messages for each of them. Okay, so I will just stick it from here and from the other side by using the glue gun. And after that I will cut from here, because this is the end of my work, so it's enough. I will cut from here. Okay. Now here, as you see, I stack all these parts here by using the glue gun, and as long as it is plastic, so they melt together. Okay, so now I will cut this part to create a heart, because I already cut from here to make it as a heart. So here I created this pocket. Okay, as you see. Finished, I cut here in the top to give the shape of the heart. Okay, and I here put I love you Jenna, I love you Maya, I love you Lena, and happy Valentine's Day. And here is a pocket where I will put a secret message for everyone. Okay, and I will just use this balloon to make it as a heart as well. So what I will do here, I'll just tie it from the middle, okay, and stick both sides here together, and then I will stick them with the glue gun. Okay, so and I will finally put this in the middle like this. Okay, as you see here, I attached it like this. Okay, and then I will stick here by using the glue gun. Finally, I will use this paper puncher, okay, to just create a hole here in the heart, in the middle here, and to be able to attach it from here. My lovely family.
Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.